Hi students, now let us see the homogeneous system of linear equation. First we recall the homogeneous system of linear equation, that is a11 x1 plus a12 x2 up to a1 n xn to 0. This is the homogeneous system of linear equation. In this equation aij, this I is 1 to m up to m, j value is 1 to up to n. These two are constant, isn't it? The above system is always satisfied by x1 equal to 0, x2 equal to 0, x3 equal to 0. So this solution is called trivial solution. This system always possesses a solution. Okay, suppose if we are going to write in the matrix form Ax is equal to O nothing but m cross 1. Why? Because see, suppose if you are going to write this linear equation into matrix form, we can able to write A into x is equal to y. Why? Because here we are getting 0. So that is known as O. Only 0 column matrix we are getting. A is the coefficient of the matrix. So that is known as coefficient matrix. X is equal to number of unknowns. Okay. Now we will denote 0, not 0, O. Why? Because simply by capital letter we are denoting that 0 column matrix. This is true for rank of coefficient matrix is equal to rank of augmented matrix less than or equal to m by Rooch-Capelli theorem. By this theorem, any system of homogeneous linear equation is always consistent. Okay. Suppose m less than n, that is the number of rows is more than number of columns, we are getting coefficient, rank of coefficient matrix is equal to rank of augmented matrix less than n. The system possesses a non-trivial solution. The system possesses a non-trivial solution. Why? Because by finding rank of matrix, we are taking the minimum. Which one is a minimum rows or columns, that number we are taking now. That's why suppose m less than n, the rank of coefficient matrix is equal to rank of augmented matrix less than n, the system possesses a non-trivial solution. Case 1, suppose rank of coefficient matrix is equal to rank of augmented matrix is equal to n, the system is consistent, it has a unique solution and it is called a trivial solution. Okay. Case 2, suppose if it is like row of A equal to n, that time the determinant of A not equal to 0, isn't it? That time only we can write the rank of matrix is equal to n. Suppose if you are getting one 3 by 3 matrix, if you are going to find the determinant of the matrix, it is not equal to 0. If it is, it does not vanishing, that time only we are telling the rank of matrix is 3. Suppose if it is vanishing, we are reducing the rank of the matrix. Okay. So suppose the getting coefficient matrix not equal to 0, that the rank of coefficient matrix is equal to n. So for trivial solution, determinant of A not equal to 0. When we get the trivial solution, the determinant of A not equal to 0, for that equation we get trivial solution. Case 2, row of A, rank of coefficient matrix is equal to rank of augmented matrix less than n, the system has non-trivial solution. What is it? Row of A less than n means determinant of A equal to 0, it has a trivial solution if and only if when the determinant of the coefficient matrix is equal to 0, that time we are getting non-trivial solution. Okay. This is a condition for finding the solution of the system of homogeneous linear equation.